You have all the resources and you can afford the best. But getting dressed every single morning, it is such a big deal for you because it's not about the style, it is a decision fatigue. And if we want to remove that completely, meet top image consultant at Styles. Their expertise will help you to simplify everything for you. The link is below. So here's the real problem. High achieving men make decisions every single day for business, for finance, for leadership. But then by the time that you actually getting dressed, this is another decision you have to make. So it's not about what you wear, but then that you are making this decision to how you show up. Because since you don't know that how to dress every single day, you just stick to the same outfit or whatever that you grab from the closet, or you feel like, okay, this is good enough. But it's not like that you don't care, but it's just another decision that you just fell onto you to make top of all the decisions you have to make. So this is why it matters so much because you're looking the part is not optional for you because it affects that how fast people trust you or how serious they take you and what opportunities actually come to you based on how you look. You don't get evaluated only by the result. Before the people get to know you, you already evaluated at the moment that you walk in. That first impression made a 7 second no. Now that we are thinking that you'll be just instant, like under 3 seconds. That first impression is actually going to make the huge impact in the long term, how much you can achieve personally and professionally. So we always saying that do not judge the book by its cover. We do, all do, you do, I do, everyone does. So this is how we need to actually thinking about that. Looking the part is the not another decision, but then it's a system that you need to actually have. So this is how you actually going to remove the decision that how you show up every single day. The goal is not about looking better. It's actually the goal is making fewer decisions because that's where the high performing men really win. They don't decide what to wear every single day. They have a system. And this is that I really want it done for you. Connect with the top image consultant at Styles. So you don't have to figure out yourself. The link is below. So here is actually the what you need to thinking about how you show up systematically, strategy for you to achieve what you want most efficiently and effectively. So you need to actually have a build your go-to outfit, the look that people recognize you as a part of your personal brand. It's not about the more clothes, it's actually a better combination. Once you actually have the right 5 to 7 pieces that you can combine, there's just so many the look that you can create just a amount of under 10 pieces. So you will be actually great for, you will work across the board meetings, traveling, events, daily work, everything. So there are actually no decision you need to make. You can just literally grab what you see, not randomly, but systemize to make you look at best all the time. Then you want to choose the one signature style. Those under 10 pieces, 5, 7, it's all curated to make that one signature style, no matter that what kind of outfit that you wear. Most men stay stuck because they're trying everything. They're like, oh, what if I do this? Or what if that? Or, oh, that looks really good for him. Maybe I need to dress like him. But trust me, what works for the others, it doesn't mean that it's actually going to work for you. So you do need to have your own signature style. So once you have this signature style, that everything comes effortless. You look sharp, you look refined, you look modern, and you look confident. So everything actually feeling this one signature look. So you do not have to make a decision anymore. You can just maintain your best style, best look, make you look your best, not look like somebody else, but really own your own skin. And upgrade little detail that really finish your look and then make your own signature style really authentic. because it's going to be reflect your personality and your taste. That's where that most men really fall a little short because they're thinking that, oh, I have a whole outfit, but your accessory, the fit, the shoes, the how you groom yourself, it actually is a part of your entire look. So it's not about make more decisions. It's about having the right standard that works for you. So once it's set, your wardrobe, everything actually start working for you. So when you remove that decisions, you get dressed faster, you look consistently awesome, and you show up with confidence without any effort. This is not about fashion. This is about the operating in your level and then really show up who you are, where you're heading, and then why people need to really see your leadership. So getting dressed, it still feel like something that you have to make a decision every single day. That is the problem. You do need a system that works for you. So meet the top image consultant at Styles and remove that decision fatigue completely. Thanks for watching. I will see you next video. Have a great day.